Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share with you some amazing DoorDash promo codes, coupon codes, discount codes that you can use in 2024 to save money on your food delivery orders. These codes work for both new and old users, so you don't have to worry about being left out. DoorDash is one of the most popular food delivery apps in the world, and it offers a wide range of cuisines and restaurants to choose from. But sometimes the delivery fees and taxes can add up and make your order more expensive than you expected. That's why I am here to help you get the best deals on DoorDash with these codes. All you have to do is follow these simple steps. Select the brand you need a code for. There are several options. Choose the best one for you. Click Unlock and your DoorDash promo code is ready. The last step to unlock the code is verification those sponsor games. I have completed offers, iHeartRadio and Evertail, and it works without any issues. Please don't hesitate to like, comment, and follow me for more content like this. Thank you.